Hi, this is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade chicken soup. I'm starting off with, you can use a whole chicken if you want, but I'm using chicken breast and some bone-in chicken thighs. And then the mise pois, which is the onions I've chopped up already in big chunks. I have cut a whole clove of garlic in half, and I'll put salt and pepper in there, maybe a little crushed red pepper. Let me go ahead and start doing some salt and pepper. But before I forget, I need you to subscribe, turn on your notifications. Please tell your friends or tell other people. Trying to get that notification up, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. All right, let's get going. Let's get some salt and pepper going. I'm not going to be shy. I'm going to move this right over here. Stock pot. Turn it up. I'd say about 3 tablespoons of, I'm putting in olive oil. Again, basically cover the bottom. And you leave the skin on, and I'm going to put the skin side down. Black pepper. And then when everything's cooked, we're going to take the chicken out and shred it, and it's going to go back in. All right. Let's see if this is hot. But this is called a stock pot. This is where you're making stock from. It's the best way. And then you can freeze what you're not using. Okay, we're ready to go. All right, skin side down. I'm not going to move, and I have this on medium high. I'm not going to move the chicken. I'm going to let it just sear. And I'm not going to crowd it. I'm not in any rush. When you're making chicken stock, don't be in any rush. So I'm going to sear that, flip it, and then I'm going to do the chicken breast. So I'll be back. All right, that chicken looks yummy. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil in here. It doesn't hurt to put it doesn't hurt to put a couple tablespoons of butter to flavor it up. I'm literally dumping the carrots. You see how big they are? Because it doesn't matter, because we're going to strain this. We're going to get rid of this. And we're going to dump this in here. Hold on. And I found some scallions that I had in my refrigerator. And I'm going to put that in there. Literally, you know when you hear everything in the kitchen sink? This is everything in the kitchen, well, the refrigerator, kitchen soup. And here we go. That's how easy it is. But of course, when I'm going to make the other chicken soup, I'm going to put some vegetables in it. But mix this up. Salt. Coarsely ground black pepper. I'm being lazy and not using my grinder. I am going to put maybe a tablespoon. Yep. And this is poultry seasoning. You can put in, you know, fresh sage and all that kind of stuff. Here's the onions. Put that in there, start cooking that up. I'm going to put in 2 bay leaves. One broke. All right, 2 bay leaves. I need to get my big spoon. Mix this up a little bit. Oh, you see, this looks fun. And now we're going to put the meat back in. Put all the chicken back in here. juices back in there. Now, literally, look at what I'm doing. Just cover it up. Get all the spices. And remember, we spiced up the chicken. So now I'm going to add water. It doesn't hurt to add a cup of white wine. Okay. I'm going to pour this water in. I still need probably another bowl full of water until this is covered. I'm going to bring it up to a boil and just let it simmer for a couple hours. So I'll see you in a couple hours and let you know how it comes out. Alrighty, I got the chicken off the bones, shredded. I strained the chicken, the stock. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a chicken soup. I have my mise pois. I'm going to put it into a pot and I'm going to add the chicken to it. I'm also, the leftover chicken, I'm freezing. Probably in a half-pound bags, and I'll freeze it so that when I need it, I can just pull it out, make chicken casserole, whatever. And then I'm going to put matzo balls into my soup. All right, poured myself a glass of wine. And now I'm going to put the onions, carrots, celery into the pot. I have about one large onion, several carrots. I'm going to do salt and pepper, some salt. And remember, I really seasoned up that the chicken stock. And I'll keep that going. And then I'm just going to take the chicken stock from there and put it in here. Yum. So I'm going to let this soften. I just might add a little bit of wine into it after the vegetables are softened up. And then add the garlic. Well, add the garlic first, then the wine, and then chicken. We're done. Garlic. I'm getting some fresh parsley here. While I do that, I got myself a cup of, I'm using white wine, Pinot Grigio. Pour that in there. And just let it saute and reduce for a few minutes. Okay, the wine has reduced. Now I'm going to literally, this is the dark meat. I didn't put a whole lot of dark meat in it, but look at this, a handful here. Put the chicken in there. And then I'm going to do a handful. It could be a cup and a half, 2 cups of chicken. And turn the heat down. Mix it up. Then I can ballpark if I want. I think I'm going to add a little bit more chicken. Probably another cup. Because I like a lot of chicken for chicken soup. Okay, mix that up. Put some more parsley in here. Now I'll turn down the heat and I'm going to get myself a big cup. I'm literally going to go right into the chicken stock. Look at that. That was 4 cups. So it looks like we're going to do 8 cups. Let's check it out. Now bring this up to a boil, which is going to take a second. And then you want to boil until all the vegetables are cooked. I'm going to do 8 cups. Let's see. 10 cups. What I don't need, I'll freeze. And you can never have enough parsley in something. I'm going to let this cook. Put another piece of chicken in there. This looks good. Okay, this is taste test time. So So I am going to, I put my, oh geez. Oh, this looks really good. Oh, this is great for, it's Passover time. So take a look. We're gonna do a taste test, but I'm gonna get a little bit of chicken. I know that the chicken is very, very tender. We got the matzo ball. Oh, it smells really good. I'll tell you, it takes a few hours to put everything together, but it's well worth it. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt. Let's see. Yep, needs just a little bit more salt. Anyway, all right, yum, another dish on the books here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, turn those notifications on, tell your friends about Josie's Fun Kitchen. And until next time, have a great day and enjoy some matzo balls and matzo ball soup, chicken soup. Cheers.